Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product insights. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best straw hat for One Piece fans, the Straw Hat Performance Animation Cosplay Accessories Hat in vibrant yellow. If you're a fan of anime or cosplay, this hat is a must-have accessory that perfectly captures the adventurous spirit of the iconic One Piece character. This straw hat isn't just a costume piece. It's crafted from high-grade straw material, ensuring it's durable yet lightweight. The design is tailored for comfort, making it ideal for extended wear whether you're at a cosplay event, outdoor party, or just out enjoying a sunny day. The hat's breathable quality keeps you cool, while the wide brim offers excellent sun protection, shielding your face and neck from harmful UV rays. It's versatile enough to be worn casually or as part of a costume, pairing effortlessly with summer dresses or a simple jeans and tee look. Sized to fit heads between 56 and 57 centimeters, it's perfect for kids, teenagers, and adults with small to medium head sizes. The brim width and hat height are designed to mimic the iconic look from the anime, giving it a realistic and recognizable style. Whether you want to wear it to a Comic-Con, a Halloween party, or just to add a fun touch to your vacation wardrobe, this straw hat elevates your look instantly. What makes this hat truly special is its connection to the world of pirates and adventure. Wearing it instantly transports you to the fantasy realm of One Piece, making it a great gift for anime fans who want to show off their love for the series in a stylish and authentic way. Beyond cosplay, it works as a unique decorative piece, too. You can hang it on your wall as a statement decoration that celebrates your fandom. Care is simple with just a gentle hand wash required to maintain its quality. The straw fabric ensures that it holds up well over time, so you can enjoy it for many adventures to come. This hat stands out for blending practicality with cosplay appeal, giving you both sun protection and the chance to embody your favorite character. In summary, this straw hat is an ideal mix of durability, style, and authenticity. Whether you're a dedicated One Piece fan or just looking for a versatile sun hat with a twist, it's designed to meet your needs and make your cosplay or casual outfit pop. If you want to bring a little bit of that pirate spirit into your life, this is the straw hat you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product deep dives. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.